So I thought with camp getting nearer, I would talk through a packing list and talk about what I pack for. So this first video will be about clothes. It might be in a few different parts because I have lots to say about the clothes to bring. So starting with t-shirts, obviously you need lots of t-shirts. I tended to wear like 1 or 2 t-shirts during the day just because we get like really messy and really hot. And then change into another t-shirt for dinner. So I'd wear like 2 or 3 t-shirts every day. So I'd bring lots of t-shirts to wear. And at camp, I usually just wear like a baggy t-shirt and shorts, or like a really big oversized t-shirt that I wear as like a dress, and I literally wear that every day. The next are sweatshirts and hoodies. I just bought a few of these for those colder days, but also I always found that in the morning when you walk into breakfast, it's really, really cold. But then by the time you get out of breakfast, it's really hot. So I always have one that I wear to breakfast and also sometimes to dinner in the evening or during the evenings if we're like hanging out outside, then it can get really cold as well. And also good to have if there's any cold nights in the cabin. I found that some nights were like really cold in the cabin, other nights were really hot and some were just right. So I'd always bring lots of sweatshirts and hoodies to have for those nights. The next is long sleeve shirts. Again, it can be pretty chilly in the mornings and in the evenings, so it's good to have some of those with you. And I also found that if I did activities in the forest, like high ropes or rock climbing, then I like to wear long sleeves because I got bitten by the bugs quite often, so it's always really nice to have some long sleeve shirts for those activities. The next one is dressy tops. Usually I'd wear these on my days off or if we were doing something in the evening, if we were off duty. But also at my camps on Friday nights, we had kind of like a nicer dinner. So it'd be nice to have some dressy tops to wear with like trousers or jeans for those. And I also bought a light rain jacket so that it didn't take up too much space in my suitcase. It wasn't too heavy, but I could just put it on when it started raining. I found that at both camps I went to, they were in completely different places, but the weather could be like really hit or miss. It could be really, really sunny and then all of a sudden it would like pour with rain, but the rain never really lasted that long. So it's always just good to have one with you. The next one is shorts, so just like t-shirts. I usually wore shorts like every day. I didn't really wear like denim shorts or anything, but sports shorts or cycling shorts, I wore a lot of those just because they're really comfy and easy to move in for all the activities that you're doing with the children. And then joggers for the same reasons as the sweatshirts. It would get quite cold in the mornings and the evenings. Also, it's really nice to just put on like a pair of joggers in the morning or when you're sitting around the cabin. And also they'd be good if you're going somewhere with lots of bugs so that your legs were covered. So yeah, I'll stop there for this one and continue in the next video. So basically I would say to bring lots of t-shirts and shorts and then a few sweatshirts or hoodies, long sleeve shirts, joggers, and then bring a couple of dressy tops and a light rain jacket.